at Akamai here, we do a lot of things that where we're out protecting the edge through our web application firewall, our API firewall, our Gen AI firewall. And all of these are built around the fact that there are tons of cyber criminals and hackers and hacktivists using all these malicious techniques to try to break in or take down different sites. And we talk a lot about these in our State of the Internet cybersecurity reports. But one of the organizations and I'm advising you, our viewers, to leverage is called OWASP, the Open Worldwide Application Security Project. So this started back in 2001. There are 60 chapters around the world. So if you're in a city, you may look around and see if there's a local OWASP chapter. There are over 30,000 volunteers, so it's an activity you can go if you want to build your resume, build your skills, you can go get involved with. So it's certainly a place to go network with your peers as well, something I'm a huge fan of. But this group is saying, okay, if, as a CISO, I have a $10 budget and $20 worth of problems. So I have to be very careful about what I'm going to fix. And I want the largest return on investment. So what this community has done is said, listen, if you can fix 10 vulnerabilities, just 10, these are the 10 you should fix, because these are the most common techniques used by hackers. And so, if I just go get rid of these 10, huge return on investment. I'm taking out, and I'm making this number up, but over 50% of the attacks by taking out these 10. And so what are these lists? The first list was a top 10 for web application security risk. And that stayed around. It didn't change forever, 10, 15 years probably. And so it was a bit frustrating because I'm like, we're not making progress. But, it was great in that if you fix those 10, you were in great shape. And that's been changing over time. The next that, and this isn't the next that came out, but the next that we have a lot of data on here at Akamai was around API security. And so that came out, and it changed after just a couple of years. And then one came out for large language models or generative AI, and that changed after just 1 year. And now there's one out there for generative AI. And so Gen AI is answering questions. Generative AI is making decisions. Way oversimplified, but that's it. There are over a dozen of these lists. And some of this depends on your business models. There's a great one for mobile phones. If you're in a low-code environment or if you produce Internet of Things, there are lists for those. There are cheat sheets. So if it's something I encourage you to go get educated on and understand which of these top 10 lists you would get a return on investment from using.